Okay, so I'm finally making a video after so long. Dude, okay, so this is gonna be a clingy killua gamer male listener actually, suggested by the person on the screen. I'm gonna keep you hold. Let's get into it. Listener, I'm back from the store. I got you your favorite. Listener? You're on that stupid game again. What was it called? Genshin Impact? Why are you even playing that? Seth! True. Kazuha. But he looks like me. Whatever, okay. Now. No. I want Cuddles. I will turn off your gaming system. I will. Okay. Hey, don't yell at me. I said I would. You dared me to. Now, come here. I want Cuddles. That's what you get for staying up and playing video games all night. You're not leaving. Don't even try it. If you take a nap and cuddle with me, I will let you teach me how to play that game. Thank you. Not moving around too much, just I'm trying to find a comfortable position, okay? Tired. I've got work in the morning. Okay, so that's it. I'm sorry it's really short. I have to go to bed. It's like 12 o'clock and I have school tomorrow. So, bye-bye.